Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use mangools SEO tool. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you will do is just simply create your account on mangools, then just simply click on dashboard over here after you have created your account. Now you will have a lot of options over here to use, like for example you will have the keyword researcher, rank tracking, local analytics, backlink analytics, SEO metrics and normal SEO extension. But in order to use all the features for a long period of time, you will have to get a paid plan. So for that, just simply click on your plans. Now as you can see, I currently have a free plan. Now to get a paid plan, just simply click on upgrade now over here. Now over here you will find all the plans. So there are basically three types of plan. So you can choose annual or monthly depending on how you want to use it. So just simply take a plan, and after that you can use all the tools for a long period of time. But if you want to just simply check it out, you can also use it without paying for any plan, and you can use them for free for a few hours. So there will be limitations obviously, but let's try some tools, like for example the keyword researcher tool. So all you have to do is click on find keywords. Now just simply search for a keyword that you're looking for. Let's say for example I want to search for Binance. So it is basically a crypto exchange. Now you can select the area where you want to search for the keyword and any language if you want to, but I'm going to keep it broad and I will search for everywhere. So click on find keywords. Now wait for a few seconds. Now it's going to load entire detail regarding Binance. So over here you will find few options like the trends, the search, how much this particular term is being searched per day, then the CPC, cost per click, then PPC, and the keyword difficulty over here. So if you look, you will find a lot of keywords which you can use in various ways. You can use them by targeting on ads, on campaigns, you can use in your blogs, and a lot more options that you can try. So as you can see, these are blurred out over here because I'm currently using free plan and I just said they are limited. If you choose this option, it will auto complete, meaning I search for a keyword called Binance, so it will complete automatically whatever it is searched after Binance on Google Chrome. So as you can see, Binance, Binance app, Binance API, Binance account, academy, and so on and so forth. Now in the end, just simply click on questions. Over here you'll find all the questions related to Binance, how long Binance verification, how much Binance pay, and all the questions that are related to Binance, as you can see right over here. And just like that, there are multiple options that you can try over here, like the rank tracking. So click on that option. Now over here just simply enter your competence domain, then choose the location, choose the platform, and click on keyword. Then you can track a particular keyword and see how it's performing. You can even get a SEO metric if you want to. Just simply click on that option, then enter the domain or URL over here. Then just simply click on analyze. So after that, you will be able to see how much traffic is coming to this particular URL that we just entered, and you will be able to track them and copy them if you want to. You will be also able to see backlinks and contents in that particular website if you have a paid plan. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.